Yeah, welcome friends to the next video series of inheritance. So in the last sessions or videos we have understood about the different derivation modes and the concept like nested class. The objective of this video is to introduce about the local class and you will be able to know what is the concept of local class. So as we have seen, nested class means a class declared in another class. In the similar manner, a local class is actually a class which is declared inside a function. If a class is declared in another class, it is known as nested class. But if a class is declared inside a function, then that is known as a local class. That means that function becomes local, that class becomes local to that function. So as you can see here, there is a function, and inside the function, if you are declaring a class, this is known as local class. A class can also be declared inside a main function, and this class is accessible within the same function only in which it is declared. It cannot be accessed by any other functions. It can be accessed by only the function in which it has been declared. So this class is local class. So suppose if I am having an example, we are writing a test function, a user defined function, and inside that I am declaring a class test1, which is having its own data member, own member function, set value, get value function. So we have declared the class which is completing here itself, and now we are defining the member function more. We have written cout inside test function. Now when test function wants to access the set value and get value function of the class test1, that is a local class, it will have to create an object of the local class as test1 t1 and t1 dot set value, as it does for the other classes also. But just keep into mind that here set value and get value will be accessible only in test function. It will not be accessible in the main function. Okay. So when main function is there, main function, see that main function is declaring class test2 and having its own integer and set value function. And then when main function wants to call test function, it can do the test function and call test function, but it cannot access the test t1 dot set value test1 object t1 dot set value and t1 dot get value. It will have to access its own function set value and get value, which it has declared inside the class test2. So this was a local class example. Yeah, declaring a local class inside a main function. So thank you for watching the video and do mark the attendance. Thank you so much.